Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make good pasta salad. First, let's talk about the foundation, your pasta. Opt for short, sturdy shapes such as rotini or pen, as they hold up well and capture dressing beautifully. Remember to cook your pasta al dente. This ensures it has a pleasant bite and won't turn mushy. After cooking, rinse it thoroughly with cold water to halt the cooking process and remove any extra starch, preparing it perfectly for your salad. Next, let's explore the ingredients that bring your pasta salad to life. Fresh, crisp vegetables are essential. Think cherry tomatoes, crunchy cucumbers, and colorful bell peppers. For added substance and flavor, consider incorporating a protein like grilled chicken, hearty chickpeas, or crumbled feta cheese. Don't forget the power of fresh herbs, such as basil or parsley, which will infuse your salad with a wonderfully aromatic and vibrant taste. Now for the heart of any great pasta salad, the dressing. A simple yet flavorful base of good quality olive oil and a tangy vinegar, such as red wine or balsamic, works wonders. Enhance the flavor profile with a spoonful of Dijon mustard, minced garlic, and just a touch of sugar to balance the acidity. Remember to season your dressing generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. This truly brings out the best in all your ingredients. Finally, let's assemble your delicious pasta salad. In a large bowl, gently combine your cooled pasta, all your fresh vegetables, protein, and the flavorful dressing. Mix everything thoroughly to ensure every component is coated. For the best taste, allow your pasta salad to chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This lets the flavors meld beautifully. Just before serving, a sprinkle of extra fresh herbs or cheese adds a lovely finishing touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.